Did you already burp? Good morning. Well, good morning. Did you sleep good? Good morning, Mollies. Buster's trying to burp, buddy. Here, lay right there. There you go, lay down. Good girl. Oh, good morning, Busters. Come up here. Come up here, let's get you burped. Come on. There you go. Oh, hands you go up, bye. Oh, I don't want your kisses. No, good morning. Oh, good burp. Good job, buddy. Good job. Can I kiss your forehead? Can I kiss your forehead? Okay. Good morning. Okay, let's give Molly some lovins. Come here, Molly. Molly's turn. Oh, Molly's a big baby, huh? Hers just a big baby. Leave him alone, Molly. Oh, no, I don't want your kisses. I don't want your wet kisses. Oh, right in the eye. Right in the eye. God bless America, Mollies. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Miles. How did you sleep? I know. You want me to pet your belly. I know. Give me a little burp. Oh, that was a good yawn. Can I kiss your forehead? Hey, Mal, can I kiss your forehead? Okay, you're kissing my face. Good girl. Okay, go lay down. What, you're not done? You want more lovins? You want more lovins from my ovens. Okay. Okay. Did the daddy put you in the mama's bed this morning? Yeah. You got to sleep in the mama's bed. All right. See it? Oh, no. Come on, you gotta let me get a little work done, and then we're gonna go to the barn. I know you love that place. You love that place. Can I get a high five? Good girl. Oh, hey. You gotta be gentle with the mama. You got to be gentle. Oh, there you go. There you go. Molly, it might be time for a haircut, bud. You're getting awful fuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Molly has all the hair. You gotta make up your mind. What are you doing? What are you doing, you crazy fool? You just need more loving this morning? Okay. Oh. Is that your good spot? All right.